So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number. So guys, next Office HP OfficeJet Pro 8025, type in the search box, then select this. By default detect the Windows 10, so you click to change and Windows 10 and then click to update. Then scroll down. If you are able different operating systems, so no worry about it, installations process almost same. Okay, scroll down. So you can see the different operating options there. You can see this is firmware, this is basic driver. So if you have to update like that, so you can download. Okay, so and this is the basic offline installer. Just click to download. After a few seconds it will ready to downloading. Okay, might be 2 to 3 minutes it will complete, and depend about your internet. If you have a good internet, so that means it will download quickly. When it is completed, just single click to open. Now this is extract drivers to your system. Then click to yes. Continue. So if you require some software, HP software, so click to yes, otherwise no. Now this is search your printer in your environment. If it is not getting show the continue, then three type by wireless, wire and USB. So wireless means you know about your printer IP address. Okay, wired means connect to your switch and router to your printer, and USB you know very well, using USB cable to connect printer to desktop. And the next, when it is connect to properly, and it will detect the driver, so it will be next to install and then restart your system. Thank you. Okay, and next, if you wireless, so continue. Okay, and follow, automatically detect it. Click serial. Okay, and then wire. This is internet cable, connect to your printer. Now this is searching the printer. And then next to install and restart your system.